the diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O, such that AO by BO is equal to CO by OD. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So first thing is we don't have the diagram, right? Before we do anything, it's better to draw the diagram. So we're looking at a quadrilateral, which end of it is a trapezium. So it's okay to draw a trapezium. I mean, in this case, it'll be easier to understand and go about. So we have A, B, C, D, right? First of all, you need to know what is a trapezium. If you're not aware of what is a trapezium, go back to basics, watch the required geometry videos and come over here, right? So we are looking at the diagonal AC and BD, right? They intersect at O is what is given. Thus that AO by OB is equal to OC by OD. So this question can be done with the help of one more way. But yeah, we can, as of now, we have to use BPT, but AO by OB is on a different line and stuff. It doesn't make sense. So whenever the ratios that is given does not make sense, just rearrange them. Nothing wrong in that, right? Just rearrange them so that you are seeing a new ratio. Now think about it. AO by OC being equal to BO by OD. That makes a bit of sense because we have this line and this line. It's continuous. That's what BPT, that's what we've seen BPT as, right? And we have seen BPT as also as a line being parallel to another line. So let's consider triangle ADC and let's draw NO such that DCA, this is parallel to this. DC is parallel to NO, right? So this helps us with our BPT. So as of now, the answer is not clear. How is that we are able to prove uh, this is a trapezium? So first thing about trapezium is the very basic thing is one pair of opposite side is parallel. If you prove that, you're done. So basically, we have to prove that AB is parallel to DC. Okay. So if you're done, prove if you're able to do that, you're pretty much done. I mean, that's the answer actually. So to do that, we have to use BPT, but it's not very clear how do we go about doing it. So first thing is let's write given, what is given and what we have constructed and what is that we have to prove. So maybe post that it will be clear. As of now, things are not clear, right? Okay, so we rearranged it. So let us show that it's rearranged. AO by OC or CO is equal to BO by DO. So this will call it as equation 1 and to prove. So we're looking at ABCD is a trapezium. So indirectly, we're trying to prove AB is parallel to DC. Okay, it's okay to write. So what is that one step that you need to prove this? It's okay to have a visual help. It always helps. It always helps to write. Putting it on a paper always helps. Remember that. And if you're scared, just put a cancel so that your teachers don't hold or rules against the rules and stuff like that. Construction. Draw an O parallel to DC where we need to tell where N is. N is on side AD. Okay, so that's our construction. Then we'll start with the proof. So in triangle ADC, so because we have this to be parallel to this, let's use our BPT as NO is parallel to DC. As per BPT, we have AN by ND is equal to AO by OC. Okay, so this will call it as equation 2. Now, look at equation 1 and 2. Right? If you look at equation 1 and 2, what is that we can see? We can see that AO by OC are your negotiators, they are same. And so we can conclude AN by ND is equal to BO by OD. Now let's go back to the diagram. Let's look at where is AN by ND and BO by OD. So which triangle is it? Is it part of? It's part of triangle, right? DAB. So we have the ratios to be equal. So what can you prove? We can prove that NO is parallel to AB, and that is done. So since NO is parallel to AB, and thus it will be parallel to DC. So our proof is done. So it's way easy than what you feel. We can see we have done few questions till now. It's not too hard. Geometry is not too hard. You just have to stick to what is given, a clear-cut diagram and clear thinking, right? What is there, and the answer is a step or two away. So this can be rearranged. If you guys are confused, we'll rearrange this. We can call this as equation 1, and this we got by inverting both sides. So the next step is in triangle DAB, from equation 3, and as per BPT, honors of BPT, so what is that we're looking at? NO is parallel to AB. NO is parallel to AB. So NO is parallel to AB. NO is also parallel to DC. So we have, as NO is parallel to DC, this implies this is construction, is it not? AB is parallel to DC. Okay, right? And thus ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, quite simple, right? I mean, I wrote this and I was like, is this the answer? I mean, are we done? It was so fast. So the question looks complicated, but all we have to do is a bit of thinking and you get the answer. So please pause and have a look at the answer.